The luxury compact SUV world has never been more crowded. But Mercedes-Benz is firing back with a brand new GLB that's packed with engineering, design, and technology straight from its flagship models. This is your detailed, fact-based preview of the next-generation GLB ahead of its full reveal on December 8, 2025. Even though the test cars are still wrapped in camouflage, Mercedes has shared enough to give us a fantastic picture of what's coming. The GLB is the third model in the brand's new compact family, following the CLA, but it's easily the most versatile, especially with its optional 7-seat layout. To make sure it's ready for any family, anywhere in the world, Mercedes put it through some of the most extreme climate tests imaginable. Let's talk about Mercedes' legendary cold tunnel. This isn't just a big freezer, it is a high-tech lab where temperatures can plummet to -40 degrees Celsius or climb to +40. This is where engineers find out if every single component, from the engine lubrication to the air conditioning, can handle the absolute worst nature can throw at it. It's not just about starting the car in the cold, it's about ensuring comfort and reliability for years to come. And the new GLB passed with flying colors. During a -15-degree test, the windshield cleared itself of ice in just 15 minutes without even using the wipers. That's a huge improvement in heating and airflow. In another test at -7 degrees, the cabin warmed up twice as fast as the old model. The fully electric version of the new GLB actually used only half the energy to heat the cabin compared to its predecessor. How? Mercedes credits a redesigned heat pump system, with technology borrowed directly from their ultra-efficient Vision EQXX concept car. But it wasn't just about the cold. The GLB also faced the heat. Engineers put it in a thermal chamber that cycles from -10 to +60 degrees Celsius, simulating everything from a chilly morning to a scorching desert afternoon. What's really cool is the solar simulator. A set of 32 powerful lamps blasts the car with up to 1,200 watts per square meter of light, replicating the full infrared spectrum of the sun. This tests how the car handles solar heat, how hot the cabin gets when parked, and how well the air conditioning performs under a full solar load. For a global SUV, this is absolutely critical. This lets engineers test the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system in controlled, repeatable conditions. It's a perfect blend of real-world physics and digital precision. Mercedes is clear that while this is a compact SUV, they've worked to make that third row more usable than ever. It has multiple layers, including an infrared reflective layer and a special inner coating that blocks heat, 외부에서 들어오는 열을 막고 겨울에는 실내 온기를 유지해줍니다. 이 코팅은 머리카락보다 훨씬 얇은 단 200나노미터 두께로 첨단 소재 과학이 어떻게 일상적인 편안함에 적용되는지를 보여줍니다. 이 루프에는 분할 투명도라는 선택 사양도 있습니다. 10뷴 20m초 만에 투명 모드에서 오팔 모드로 전환할 수 있습니다. 즉, 기계식 차양 없이도 맑은 하늘을 보는 것에서부터 은은하고 프라이빗한 조명 효과로 즉시 바꿀 수 있습니다. 오팔 설정은 눈부심을 최소화하면서도 실내를 밝게 유지해줍니다. 이 모든 제어는 중앙 디스플레이의 전용 섹션에 나타나며 루프의 모양을 디지털로 완벽하게 제어할 수 있습니다. 앰비언트 라이팅 통합은 파노라믹 루프의 활용도를 한층 더 높입니다. LED 상호작용이 더 넓은 앰비언트 라이팅 시스템과 연결되어 있어 승객은 색상 테마와 분위기를 개인화하여 야간 주행 시 GLB의 실내를 라운지 같은 공간으로 바꿀 수 있습니다. On the technology front, the GLB gets the same advanced infotainment system that debuted in the new CLA. This means MB.OS, the brand's latest and greatest operating system, is now standard. You get a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a huge 14-inch central touchscreen. Even if you don't opt for the passenger screen, the dashboard maintains its clean, futuristic look with beautifully crafted air vents. And here is some great news for anyone who wasn't a fan of the old touch-sensitive steering wheel controls. Mercedes has listened to customer feedback and switched back to physical rocker switches. It is a smart move that proves Mercedes is focused on creating interfaces that are both modern and genuinely easy to use. Mercedes has confirmed a full lineup of powertrains, including fully electric and 48-volt mild hybrid options, though final specs are still under wraps. But based on those climate test results, the electric version is expected to have a significantly better real-world range, especially in cold weather where EVs usually suffer. That new heat pump alone could be a game-changer. For the mild hybrids, the 48-volt system promises smoother stop-start operation and better fuel economy. Official pricing will be announced closer to its market launch in spring 2026. With all these new features and advanced tech, we can expect a slight price increase, but the GLB will still be one of the more accessible entry points into the Mercedes SUV family. So, what's the big picture here, even before the camouflage comes off? Mercedes has created a deliberate balance, pairing premium features with practical improvements, boosting comfort without sacrificing efficiency, and refining digital tech without abandoning physical controls. The new GLB isn't just another compact SUV, it's a statement about where Mercedes is headed. It's smarter, more efficient, and more focused on the passenger experience than ever before. With its redesigned interior, advanced climate technology, and a clear connection to the Vision EQXX, the GLB is set to be a functional, future-ready SUV that doesn't compromise on luxury. The tests are done, the stage is set, and all eyes are on December 8th, when Mercedes will finally show the new GLB to the world. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay updated on the new GLB and all things automotive, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.